AI can write books, paint art, and even talk like us. But what's next could change everything. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than ever. In just the past year, we've seen AI create music, pass exams, and even generate entire movies. But here's the big question. Will AI keep helping us or replace us? Some experts believe AI will soon become AGI, artificial general intelligence. That means it could think, learn, and adapt just like a human. Imagine AI that designs other AIs, solves global crises, or even governs nations. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Elon Musk's xAI are already racing to make this real. The future of AI is exciting but also uncertain. Will it be our greatest tool or our biggest threat? What do you think? Like, comment, and subscribe for more future tech videos. Stay curious, stay updated.